What if a single, 2-ingredient kitchen hack could completely reset your gut, flatten a bloated stomach in minutes, and naturally shield your heart? Most people walk right past these 2 ingredients in the grocery store every single day, but mixing them together creates a biological powerhouse. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this specific combination is the ultimate biological cheat code. Let's start with the immediate magic, fennel seeds. In traditional medicine, they're called the ultimate digestive eraser. Fennel contains a powerful, active compound called anethole. Think of anethole as a natural muscle relaxant for your gastrointestinal tract. When your stomach is cramped, bloated, or trapping gas, chewing a teaspoon of these seeds relaxes your gut wall almost instantly. No more painful pressure, no more bloating. But the bloating relief is just a side effect. What fennel does to your actual blood vessels is where it gets truly wild. We'll get to that in 30 seconds. Beyond digestion, these tiny seeds are dense nutritional gold mines, packed with vitamin C, iron, and potassium to naturally regulate your blood pressure. And for women, it's a literal game changer. Fennel contains phytoestrogens that naturally balance hormones, soothe menstrual cramps, and have been used for centuries to boost milk production in nursing mothers. Now, let's pair it with the second powerhouse, tamarind. If your digestive tract feels sluggish or completely backed up, tamarind is your natural solution. It is loaded with natural tartaric and malic acids. These acids act as a gentle, highly effective natural laxative. It doesn't just relieve constipation, it actively sweeps your colon clean of built-up waste and toxins. But wait. If you think tamarind is just for digestion, you are missing its most powerful superpower. Especially if you struggle with brain fog or afternoon energy crashes. Here's what it does to your blood sugar. When you eat, your blood sugar normally spikes, leading to that dreaded afternoon crash. Tamarind contains active plant compounds that actually block the enzymes that digest carbohydrates. The result? It halts those sudden glucose spikes, drastically improving your insulin sensitivity. At the same time, its rich supply of flavonoids goes to work on your cardiovascular system, binding to bad LDL cholesterol and preventing dangerous triglyceride buildup in your arteries. So, what happens when you combine them? You get a synergistic anti-inflammatory shield. Both fennel and tamarind are packed with antioxidants that actively block the enzymes responsible for systemic inflammation. Whether it's chronic joint pain, gut inflammation, or just everyday fatigue, this duo targets the root cause of swelling and pain in the body. So, how do you actually use them together to get these results? There is a specific 3-minute tea recipe you need to know, and drinking it at the wrong time of day will completely ruin its benefits. Here is how to make the ultimate wellness elixir. Boil 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and a small, marble-sized piece of diced tamarind pulp. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain it into your favorite mug. Drink this warm cup right after your heaviest meal of the day. It will accelerate your digestion, block blood sugar spikes, and stop bloating before it even starts. While this remedy is incredibly powerful, if symptoms has lasted for more than a week without stopping, it might be something more serious. Please be safe and see a doctor. Try this for 1 week and watch how your body transforms. If you want more simple, science-backed kitchen hacks to supercharge your health, hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next video.